Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome once again on Ishuri TV. Ishuri TV is a YouTube channel which gives you different courses about electronics, gastronomy, and music instrument to play them. Today, who is on camera? I'm Bernard Sengeremye, the one who is going to teach you type of sensors. Sensor, we will see what is sensor, what is the type of sensor, how they operate, the difference between sensor and actuator. Don't miss in this lesson. Thank you. Hello once again. Today we are going to teach you a type of sensor which is infrared sensor. An infrared sensor is an electronic instrument that is used to sense a certain characteristics of surroundings. It does this by either emitting or detecting infrared radiation. Infrared sensors are also capable of measuring the heat being emitted by an object and detect motions. Infrared technology is found not just in industry but also in everyday life. Televisions, for example, use infrared detector to interrupt the signal sent from the remote control. Passive infrared sensors are used for motion detection system. And light-dependent resistor sensors are used for outdoor lighting system. The key benefits of infrared sensor include their low power requirements, their simple circuitry, and their portable features. You see different type of infrared sensor here, all of them. In summary, we told you that the infrared sensors are not only used in industry but also domestic. We can use them, like is the one used for connect remote control with a television, for the one used for controlling, for example, air conditioner. You can use a remote control, and even also the detection of movements. There is a passive infrared sensor used to detect those motions. That is to remind you that it is not only designed for industry or different biggest company, but also infrared are mostly used in our daily life. So infrared radiation theories. Infrared waves are not visible to the human eyes. In the electromagnetic spectrum, infrared radiation can be found between the visible and microwave regions. The infrared wave typically have wavelength between 0.75 and 100 millimeters, so micrometers. So you have to understand that the infrared, its radiation is not, you cannot look it or you cannot see it. It is invisible by human eye, but its radiation, when there is a movement passing through it, can be detect or give you the output according to the type of infrared sensor. What you have to know here, you will never see the infrared by using your eyes. Your A. So the infrared spectrum can be split into near infrared, then mid IR and far infrared. There is infrared which can be used for near or short distance, the medium or the distance which is not small and which is not large, even the far, the infrared which can be radiated for long distance. You see, for example, they are in the car load junction. There is infrared which, you know what called the gariamosh. In its load, there is where the junction of it, there is infrared which is there, fixed there to detect the gariamosh from far distance and start to inform the people or to inform the movement around there that the gariamosh is going to pass. That is a type of infrared which is used for long distance or for far infrared sensor which can radiate for long distance. The wavelength region from 0.75 to 3 micrometer is known as the near infrared region. You see, there's infrared sensor which are in this range from 0.75 up to 3 are these classified into near or short distance infrared region. Then the region between 3 up to 6 micrometer is this infrared which are classified into medium region, while the infrared radiation which has wavelength greater than 6 is them far infrared. You see the type or the range or the region of infrared. In our practice, we will show you how we can use this model of detecting the motion. Motion. This can be used for smoke detector, for different way to show you how the infrared are transmitted, but you cannot see it. But when there is obstacle created near this infrared, produce the output. We'll show you even how to install this type of infrared on the remote control of a TV, or how you can use this to control your home light or your lamp in your room by using remote control. We will show you them by using these sensors. That's why we would like to remind you to do like and share to your friends, share to your colleague to see this, and don't forget to subscribe in order to be updated by our lessons. Thank you for watching.